It's June 30th, 2024. We're definitely approaching summer. As you can see, there's a lot more new growths and flowers. Start the updates with lavender. You can see pretty much all the flowers have opened, and the flowers have been attracting a lot of bees. Right here are the African honeybees. Over here is the blueberry. The fruits are still forming. They're still green. So yeah, it feels like we're gonna have a lot of blueberry this year. Over here, I actually have been misidentifying these ones over here. These are actually poppies. I don't know why I thought those were straw flowers. But yeah, those are actually poppies. And here's the Chinese lantern plant. You can see it's still flowering. I'm not seeing any fruits yet though. Over here's the raspberry. You can see there's quite some fruit that have formed and are ready to be harvested. These are better pollinated, but still not perfect. So I think the next batch would probably look better. And here are the raspberry that I harvested today. And here's the hydrangea. You can see some of the flowers have opened. This cluster over here has a pink to purplish color. And then this one is pink. And then this one is more blue. And yeah, more of the clusters have a blue color. And yeah, there's a lot more clusters over there, looking really nice with all the different colors. And the shooting star variety of the hydrangea is also flowering. We'll see more flowers in the next week or so. Yeah, all the hydrangeas are looking really good. Here's another cluster of the shooting star.